In this video, I'll show you how to fix the SrtTrail.txt log file error on Windows. I'll walk you through two powerful methods that can help you solve this issue and get your PC booting normally again. If you find this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another useful tech tutorial. Alright, let's jump straight into it. So, the first method is uninstalling the latest Windows updates. Sometimes after updating Windows to a newer version, some updates may contain bugs or corrupted files that can cause your PC or laptop to crash repeatedly and enter the startup repair loop. To do this, first click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot. After that, click on Advanced Options again. Now select Uninstall Updates. Here, click on Uninstall Latest Quality Update. Wait for the uninstall process to complete, then restart your PC and check if the issue has been fixed. If your PC is still not booting properly, don't worry. Let's move to the second and more advanced method. Again, go to Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Finally, open Command Prompt. Now we have successfully opened Command Prompt. Carefully follow each command with me. First, type CHKDSK/F/RC:, then press enter. This command will scan your drive for physical disk errors and automatically try to repair them. The process may take a few minutes, so be patient and let the scan finish completely. Once the scan is completed, type C: and press enter. Now type cdc:/Windows/System32/config, then press enter. Next, type md-backup, press enter. Now type copy **backup, then press enter. If it asks for confirmation, simply select all. If it doesn't ask anything, just continue. Now type md-backup1 and press enter. Make sure there is no extra space in the folder name. After that, type copy **backup1, press enter. Again, if it asks yes, no, or all, choose all. Now type cd regback and press enter. Then type dira, press enter. Now type copy **, and press enter. If it asks for confirmation, select all. If not, simply continue. Next, type bootrec/fix mbr and press enter. Then type bootrec/fixboot, press enter. Now type bcdedit/export C:\bcdbackup and press enter. After that, type *attrib C:\boot/bcd-h-r-s, then press enter. Now type :ren C:\boot/bcd-bcd.old and press enter. Finally, type :bootrec/rebuildbcd, then press enter. Once everything is completed, type exit and press enter to close command prompt. Now click on continue to restart your PC. This time, your computer should boot normally without the SrtTrail.txt error. And that's it, guys. This is how you can easily fix the SrtTrail.txt log file error